need 5 boiled eggs. Ask an adult to help you boil them before cooking. Tuna, mayonnaise, a slice of lemon, and parsley. Oh, and olive oil. Crack open the eggs, not so hard, just little cracks. If you have some little pieces of shell, well, you can also go rinse it off. Since you have cracked all the 5 eggs, now you need to cut them. First, you put your hands safely like this, and you cut it exactly in half in the middle. And there you go, open your egg. Now, we do it with all the eggs. Put your hands safely. Remember, safety comes first. Okay. Now, since you've cut them all, now you take the yellow yolk out and you put it in a bowl. There. Now, you put them on a platter. One, two, three. You take the mayonnaise. You take 2 big spoons. Now you add a whole jar of tuna. The entire lemon. Now you sprinkle a little bit of parsley. Mix it really well. I think I need more mayo. Just squirt. That's probably it. Now we keep mixing. Now we're going to use the blender to finish it off. Oh no, we forgot the salt and pepper. You add a sprinkle of salt, or as much as you need. Then you add a little bit of pepper. Make sure not to lose the top, just like Cocco did in his last video. Now a little bit of olive oil. And you keep mixing. Now you put it in the eggs. Oopsie. Or do it with your hands. Et voila! Here is your appetizer, breakfast, or a snack for your guests.